In section 5, topic 7, we're going to need to know how to determine what number we can add to each of these quadratic expressions or any quadratic expression to make it a perfect square trinomial. Alright, so we're going to take a look at what values we can add. To do this, we're always going to take half of the b term and then square it. Alright, or you can look at it as b divided by 2 squared. Up to you. Alright, so let's take a look at this b term. Our first b term is 6, our second b term is 8, and our final one is negative 22. Starting here, what is half of 6? Alright, half of 6, and then squared. Half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. We just completed the square here to give us a perfect square trinomial. The answer there would be 9. As we move forward to the next one, we have 8. We need to take half of 8, and then we need to square that. Half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So 3 plus what number equals 16 total? 3 plus 13 gives us a total of 16 that we need to make this a perfect square trinomial. Alright? Let us continue on now to the final one. We have negative 22. We need to take half of negative 22. And then we're going to square that. Half of negative 22 is negative 11. When we square that, we end up with positive 121. Well, we need to figure out what number we can add to negative 71 to give us 121. You can write a simple equation. Negative 71 plus some number, we can use x, is going to equal 121. You'd end up adding 71 to both sides to realize that it's going to be 192. When we add 192 to negative 71, it gives us 121, which will be which will make this a perfect square trinomial. We're going to be using this in the lesson today as we complete the square